Welcome to the house of Rajkumaris.
Hi, this is Shushma Jogi and I'm a software developer. Finally, the place that I can call my home.
Hi, this is Anjali Jogi. I work as a multimedia designer. I design websites, I design clothes. I'm also going to design the future of this house.
Hi, this is Suma Rajkumar. I'm an actress. I'm the entertainer of this house.
నమస్కారం అండి నా పేరు రుక్మిణి రాజేంద్ర జోగి
Welcome to the house of Rajkumaris.
Join me as we uncover the journey behind this house.
What made you choose this house? As soon as we entered, there was so bright lights and the positivity that was there, which attracted us to this place. We just got clicked to it, got the vibe. This is our house.
This felt like it's home.
బాగానే సంతోషం అనిపించింది.
Was there a moment you thought this dream wouldn't happen?
Yeah, there were a lot of moments where I thought this is impossible.
Yeah, sometimes when we got to know the price of this house.
God wanted us to buy this house and He landed us here in this beautiful house.
Which part of this house are you most proud of?
I'm proud of the God room because I designed it. The temple room is the heart of our house,
గాడ్ రూమ్
which is having Shri Krishna. It was completely my idea from the top to bottom. I literally designed it from ChatGPT and mixture of Pinterest, and finally that's the output.
Which is your favorite room?
All the rooms are my favorite.
My room.
Of course, it's mine because I've already done a setup. But I like my room, which is bright and it is having a lot of space. Influencer setup, I've got the light, mic, and everything. So I love my room because it has a walk-in wardrobe and it has everything. Of course, my room is good.
What kind of mornings do you imagine here?
See, I imagine myself waking up early at 6 o'clock, having my green tea and having some good breakfast, going to the gym, working out. But none of that is happening any time soon. But hopefully we'll all get back to the routine soon.
Morning seeing the peacock and nice weather.
Happy, peaceful, good old lazy day with my dashi.
What is one thing you're looking forward to doing in this house together?
Have a big party, invite my friends, chill around.
Parties, more parties and
నలుగురు పెళ్ళిళ్ళు కావాలి, అందరూ ఆనందంగా ఉండాలి, సంతోషంగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Where do you think most fights will happen?
everywhere in the house.
it is in the dining area which most of the fight happens. Fights can happen anywhere, any corner of this house.
Which is your comfort place?
My comfort place is the couch.
My room, my corner.
Which has your ass prints on it.
తులసి చెట్టు కాడ గాలి వస్తుంది మంచిగా, అక్కడ కూర్చోవాలనిపిస్తుంది.
I think my comfort place is the balcony because it's good there. You should come sometime.
What kind of energy do you want in this house?
Positive, good vibe, spiritual vibe at the house.
Positive and a happy vibe that I want here.
Motivated energy, energy where people want to do something new. Because we could not do a lot of things when we were in a rented house. There were so many restrictions, but finally it's our own house, so we can do a lot of things. So let's bring in a very good positive energy.
What is the dream item you want to bring to this house?
My big TV. God.
Balcony person or a bedroom person?
Balcony.
Balcony.
Okay. Of course I'm a balcony person. Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah, bedroom. Bed is where I live most of the times.
Movie nights or friends and games?
Friends and games. Games is my favorite.
So movie nights. Anytime movie nights.
First guest you would like to invite to this house?
I wanted to chill with Maya, so she can't come.
But you're invited, Maya.
Yeah,
Please come
you're
soon.
always invited, Maya.
I can't name it, but would invite someone.
Someone.
Close. Yeah.
Someone special?
Special.
Okay.
Surely I would want to invite all my friends.
One word for this house.
My home. Peace.
Beautiful and bright.
Those are 2 words. నీ ఫేవరెట్ రాజ్కుమారి ఎవరు?
నాకు అందరు అంతే, అట్లా ఏం చెప్పలేము మేము.
అందరు ఫేవరెట్సేనా?
నలుగురు అంతే,
నలుగురు ఫేవరెట్సా? ఎవరైనా ఒక్క ఫేవరెట్ చెప్పవా?
అట్లా చెప్పలేము,
ఇలా కొంచెం వింక్ వింక్ చేసి చెప్పు, సైడ్కి వచ్చి చెప్పు.
ఎక్కడ చెప్పలేము, నలుగురు అంతే.
What do you think is the future of this house?
Future will be like we all should have our own partners and we should have this as a getaway house.
This will always be my home, my safe place. Hope for a happy time, good future ahead. I only see growth from here.
What does having your own house mean to you?
Having a safe place where I can be the way I want.
Freedom.
I don't have to pretend or be something. I can just be me. Freedom of doing whatever I want, freedom of singing, freedom of dancing, freedom of shouting.
Choice of living on your own terms.
I have a safety net. I don't have to worry about I have to pay rent for the next month or it's not scary, but finally it feels good to have our own house.
How do you want people to feel when they come to your house?
I want them to feel like never leaving this house again. Make them feel warm and welcomed.
I want them to feel like a home.
Of course, but I want them to leave.
What are you looking forward to in this house?
I know there's a lot of laughters in this house, a lot of sleepless nights having fun, a lot of fun. So
Mom and dad is waiting for marriage, so I want marriage to happen in this house.
have a lot of events for Anjali if she gets married soon. Yeah.
So here's the last question. Tell us about your journey.
So the journey of this house started in 2025.
In the early months,
I've been through a lot of houses. We first started with a flat, looking for a lot of luxurious flats.
We did not go for the flats because land is always a better investment. We started looking for the independent house, villas.
then I reached out to multiple builders. So we saw a lot of houses. Some had legal issues, some had no proper documents, and most of them were scammers. We were at the point where we felt like, no, we are not going to buy any house.
Most challenging task was to find a good house with genuine papers and no legal issues.
Our journey of searching a house was really difficult. We searched for the house in almost every corner of Bangalore. We traveled in sunny day. Also, we traveled in rain. We sometimes even traveled triples on a bike. Me, Suma, and Shushma.
ఇల్లు తీసుకోవడానికి చాలా కష్టపడ్డారు నా కూతుర్లు.
The houses that we liked were way out of our budget. Finding a house within our budget and requirements was a main challenge here.
It was almost 11 months since we were looking for a house and we almost gave up.
I somewhere felt like, no, we need to have house because it's really hard for us to live in this expensive city.
The feeling of getting that my place, we didn't find it.
But then the destiny was already written for us.
The last day when I was about to leave Bangalore,
We thought, let's give it one last shot.
And finally we found the perfect house. The house of Rajkumaris.
It's a dream for a lot of people to get their own house, and finally this dream of ours came true.
Finally, we found something,
A place which made us feel like this is your home.
and we are here.
We actually felt like home.
Really happy to be in this house.
ఇల్లు తీసుకున్నారు, సంతోషంగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నా దేవుని.
And now it's time for a quick rapid fire. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Who is most likely to keep losing the house keys?
I think we all know, maybe it's me.
I think, yeah, some others.
I'm a clumsy person, guys. Don't judge me.
Who will use the hall like it's their own personal kingdom?
That's surely Dashu. Definitely Dashu.
Yeah, it is Dashu because entire hall is occupied by her.
Who will invite people without informing others?
Maybe that's me.
Yeah, Anjali. Anyone can invite anyone. You're all welcome.
Who will decorate the house the most?
And that should be Shushma, but she doesn't do it.
Yeah, it's surely me because I like decorating house, keeping the house clean. No, it's me. Yeah. It's me.
Who will make the most noise?
So,
That's again me because I love playing music.
yeah, Suma.
Which room will stay the messiest? And we all know the answer to this.
Anjali. It's Anjali's room for sure.
Anjali, it is Anjali. It is Anjali. We all agree.
With all the clothes and all, you all know.
No. Who will secretly eat the food at the midnight?
I think it's Suma. Sometimes it could be me, sometimes it could be Sushma as well.
Who will control the TV remote?
Yeah, true, mom. It's surely mom because she needs to watch her serial. Who do you think will leave this house first?
It's a controversy, but yeah, I should be the one who should be first.
I think I'll probably miss Anjali a lot if she gets married and goes from here, but I hope she doesn't get married anytime soon. So that we can spend a lot more time in this house together.
I don't know, it feels like me.
And I'll also miss Sushma because I hope she goes to Canada because I want her to have a better future. Who do you think will never leave the house?
Dashu and Suma.
Yeah, it's Dashwan.
Who will spend the most time in the kitchen?
Next. Who is the entertainer of the house?
Suma.
Suma. Who will this house be incomplete without?
Mom and dad.
Mom and dad. Finally, the nation wants to know the biggest question of the decade. Anjali, when are you getting married?
ChatGPT says that maybe next year.
Sushma, same question goes to you. When are you getting married?
When I find the one that I want to spend my life with.
And what kind of man you're looking for? What is your type?
Virat Kohli is my type, I know that.
It's not Kohli. It's Kohli.
Virat is my type. निकाल दिया
कोई नहीं
Anjali, who is your type?
My type is on type.
Just like you, multimedia designer. Suitable girl for you. We are looking for a suitable boy for our sisters. So please comment down below your profiles and we'll get back to you. No, we won't get back to you. You have to find us and get to us because we are the Rajkumaris. So thank you so much, guys, and we are wrapping up.
Bye.
You guys are welcome to our house anytime and we will all have fun, we'll party, we'll enjoy, we'll make a lot of reels and yeah, without me this wouldn't have been possible, so thanks to me. I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you so much, bye bye.